give her, oh, there's the treat bag right next to her, actually. Probably want to grab that. Yeah, but maybe we can give her a treat just for...
Sasha, down. Sasha, sit.
Oh, she's
doing good.
kind of sitting.
You're doing good.
Oh,
Hey,
she's
nope,
going to come, try to come.
Sasha, stay. Stay.
Right, leave.
Good girl, Sasha. Good girl.
Okay. Alright. So you wanna, are you able to kind of hold?
Sasha. Good girl. What do you want me to do?
To try to like, try to, or maybe you can just sit here. No, maybe not. Yeah. Or maybe
Okay.
I can just get a recording towards the end. Just for you to get fussy.
Yep. All right, Sasha. We're gonna go to a dog park.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. But if I throw in this hamburger, will you throw in floor mats?
Yeah, we're gonna go to a dog park, Sasha, that you have not, that we have actually not all been to. None of
Let's
us
go
have.
for a ride. Are you just looking at Parson? Are you just looking at Parson? Yeah.
Oh, there's a couple of other dogs outside.
There's some doggies outside.
Maybe we'll come upon some doggies at the dog park.
Yeah, we've had some decent amount of ice melt on the driveway, so it's good. Less icy.
Well, you're not buckled.
Right.
No.
It'll probably stop, right?
It will. It'll keep blinking, but it'll stop.
Oh, I'll put it on.
Do you know how to get there? Or should I put it in the GPS?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where it is. I'd probably do the GPS.
Okay.
Was gonna look it up, but I never did. Are you petting her? You petting Sasha, buddy? Oh, you were? Looks like he was. Well, that sun's kind of. Were you trying to whisper something? That's okay. You're both doing good. I wonder if she's keeping him quiet.
She might be. Keeping him some company.
Yeah, he just touched her, but that was about it once. Oh, going again, buddy?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, don't grab too hard. Parson, don't grab too hard. Be gentle. She's pretty gentle with you, buddy, so you be gentle with her, okay? Parson.
If you need a pause, that's fine. That's our boy.
Yeah.
a little baby boy.
Mm-hmm. She's actually doing pretty good back there.
She is.
First time in the harness.
Yeah. Hey, Sasha.
Hey.
Both babies are in the back right now.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it could eventually sit in the middle between two. Well, she's gonna get bigger.
Mm-hmm. Maybe she'll help keep him quiet.
Yeah. They can just look at each other and keep each other occupied.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes having a sibling can be a benefit.
Oh, yeah, right.
Even if they're not the same kind of siblings.
Sasha's the quiet one.
Yeah. She's actually pretty quiet in the car.
Yeah. Maybe that'll change once she's older. Maybe she'll like having the windows down and putting her head out. I know some dogs do.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Sasha.
There's two more doggies going on a walk. Doggies a little bit older. There's one of snowmobiler.
Yeah.
Snowmobiling, it can be fun. You've got snowmobiling, right?
I have. Been a while. I think I prefer jet skis over snowmobiling.
I guess I'm not surprised. I would prefer snowmobiling.
But I've been on more jet skis than a snowmobile though. So I guess I was more familiar with them.
You just hear her panting.
Yeah.
Oh, I never brought the water bottle for her. I didn't think of that. Well, at least there's a ton of snow on the ground.
A lot of snow she can eat. She can help. Well, she'll be able to get some water from your dad's too.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll be able to kind of clean herself off from digging earlier a little bit. She's not too dirty.
Yeah.
I wonder if she'll try digging there.
Maybe. I don't know if she's keeping him occupied anymore.
Nope. She's not really paying him any attention.
Yeah. I wonder how weird it would be to have a cat on the leash going on a walk.
On a walk?
She's a good sized cat. About her size, actually.
Yeah.
But as an adult.
Mm-hmm. Can't really see. She must be doing something.
She moved, yeah.
How long have you got?
About a minute.
Oh, okay. There she is. We can see you, Sasha. Person trying to get the blanket off. Da. Da, 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 da. I can see you. Yeah.
Can see both. Going to surface. Off leash dog.
Okay.
She doesn't have to be on the leash, but we'll keep her on the leash.
At least for now, huh?
Yeah. At least for now, yes.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just go right here.
Want me to still record?
Yeah, you can stop it. We're here.
We're here, Sasha and Parson. Sasha, we're here.